Sports fans have to give Cleveland its credit because in these past couple of years, we've been on fire. In 2014, LeBron James returned home to lead Cleveland to victory, which didn't actually happen until 2016 when we finally defeated the Golden State Warriors during the NBA Finals. That was the second time the Cavs and the Golden State Warriors played in the finals. In 2021, Cleveland hosted the NFL Draft. In 2022, this weekend, we are hosting the NBA All-Star Weekend. For all of you sports fans pouring into the city, here are some points of interest for food and entertainment. The first stop on this tour is the Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse, the go-to place for sporting events and entertainment. We're taking you down the street into Tower City, and there you can find shopping and transit to other neighborhoods like Lachmere, Shaker Square, and the Van Aiken District. Are you hungry yet? Let's walk down the street to Ujerk, the Caribbean Eatery. Ujerk is filled with delicious, savory, flavorful food such as this falafel salad. And now this is for the vegetarians out there in the world, but for you meat lovers, there's plenty for you to try at Ujerk, including this yum yum cake, which was filled with raisins, bananas, and this yummy cream cheese icing. There's plenty to see and eat here in Cleveland, Ohio, and I hope you enjoy your stay.